Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a traveling straight pour today. Before I get to that, let me quickly mention that I think I'm going to have a live auction. I want to sell some of my paintings. I want to sell all of my paintings, but I'm going to let a lot of them go for, starting half the price that they're listed on my website. So pretty soon I will give a preview auction of the pieces and the starting price, and I'll figure out what date and line up some help with that. I need a couple of helpers, I think, to monitor the time and the winners. So let me know if you're interested. I hope I get enough people to watch and be interested. Okay, my colors today. I'm going to be using a split cup. I've got 3 Prism Pour paints by Colourarte. This is Tuscan Sun. Beautiful. Baltic Amber. Amazing color. And Saffron. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then I've got some Payne's Gray, Creative Inspirations, and Master's Touch Ocean Green. So this is the order I'm going to fill up the chambers. And I'm not going to layer. I'm going to put just one color in each. Well, this is a 7 chamber, but I have 5 colors, so I'll just use the center 5. Okay, it looks like these chambers are bigger than those, so I had the same amount of paint in the cups, but it's not the same level in the cup here, but what can you do? All right, I'm going to be pouring over this. And here we go. I haven't used a split cup all that much. It's such a pain in the neck to clean, but let's get going on it. Come on now. I thought it was about empty, but I got quite a bit more coming out. Okay. I think I'll put a little bit of flow extender around the edges there. So that's it. Okay, I don't have that much in the way of flow extender. That's it. Oh well. I think look at that. That's interesting. Okay. Put that thing aside and move this around. It's way bright. That ocean green, it's like a light blue, is really quite fun against these bright colors, and the Payne's gray. It's a wonderful contrast. I just gotta get over here. Those look like bananas. Man, that TV's loud in the other room. My husband is walking the dogs and was on pause, and now it suddenly came on. Huh. I guess I had plenty of paint. I saw a bare spot. Oh, right here. I don't know that I've mentioned recently that I'm going to be going to Las Vegas in August. I will be there while PourCon is going on. I'm not taking classes, but I'm looking forward to being there at that time and meeting some people. So if any of you are going to be there, contact me ahead of time, and I would love to meet you in person. Maybe share a meal. This is kind of fun. I didn't think I was going to like this, but I'm just running this thing off there. It's a lot of orange. That saffron really is a very strong color, but it's kind of exciting. Well, I like it better than what was underneath it. This could be a cool one to resin. With all that metallic and yeah, I really like it. bring you in. Reminds me of something. I'm sure if I look at this in different orientations, I'm going to see something, a cartoon character or a superhero or something funny in here. Oh, I really like that ocean blue, ocean green next to the Payne's gray. And then the Payne's gray there and next to the orange. It gives a nice depth to it. Yeah, it's different. That copper. Well, it's not copper. Baltic Amber. Kind of a copper color. It's going to be nice when it's all dried. Huh. Okay, my friends, there you go. It was a quick and easy traveling straight pour. I'll put the recipe down below. It's super simple. And if you're interested in trying out these Prism Pour paints, any Colourarte product, you can save 20% by using my coupon code CHRISTINEJ1121. Okay, friends, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.